Nakakatakot kasi ganyan. Totoo lang, kasi attack submarine yan eh.
Oo. Oo, mismo.
Pwede naman gumawa ng pretext, di ba?
Or ano ba to? Like, para nagsa-survey na ba? Or, kumbaga,
Tsaka di ba
nagpe-preposition na ba? I don't know.
Nagkaroon sila ng exercise, di ba, ng China dati? Or they can do that as much as we can do an exercise with the Quad, you know, with the US, you know. Kasi they're imposing their view of the world. They want to show the world that there's an alternative government other than the US.
May alternative na kumbaga main superpower, no?
Yeah.
sa mundo aside from the authority that the US asserts, no?
Pero push comes to shove, hati yan. Ang mangyayari, China and Russia will be against all the NATO states.
Alam mo yan? Panigurado. Kaya nga kaya nga 'di ba, threatened ang Russia na sasama ang Ukraine sa NATO, pati yung mga neighboring countries, no? Na nagiging part na rin ng NATO. Of course, it's a threat, no?